Welcome back to Gage Insider, a channel dedicated to serving the manufacturing community around the world. Thank you to our host, GreatGages.com, a one-stop shop for all your precision measuring needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. Introducing our new Industrial Waterproof Borescope with a 360-degree rotatable camera. Fitted with a 4.3-inch IPS display and bright LED lights, viewing small spaces has never been easier. To power this unit on, simply press and hold the power button. To access the many features of this borescope, press the settings button to view them. The standard resolution for this camera is 1920 by 1080 pixels, but if you need to lower the resolution for smaller video files, you can change that by selecting your desired resolution. You can also change the image quality in the same fashion. To change your desired language, simply select the language settings and choose your language. You can change the date, time, as well as check how much storage you have left on your unit. Once you have all your settings set to your liking, you can begin recording. To change from photo to video, simply press the red M button. And to take a photo or begin recording, press the red camera button on the neck of the unit. You can also adjust the brightness by pressing the light bulb button on the front of the unit. And to move the head of the camera, rotate the cogwheel on the side of the unit. This unit also comes with a USB charging cable and has a 3.5-hour battery life when fully charged, so you have a long working window for your applications. Once again, thank you so much for watching Gage Insider. For more information, visit GreatGages.com, or you can look down in the description for our toll-free number. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.